Hi guys, how you all doing? And welcome to my channel. I'm Rick, the backyard chef. It's cold outside, so today I thought I would show you how to make an absolute classic leek and potato soup. Now this is one of those comfort foods which is totally adaptable for lunch and dinner. Now when we're using the leeks, all we're going to do, we're going to use the white and light green bit. Discard the leaf end. Okay, so let's show you how to make this hearty leek and potato soup. Right guys, in a pan with 4 tablespoons of butter, and then we want to be working on our leeks. Okay, chop off the leaf end, we don't want that, and then we need to slice up our leeks and put in the pan. Now we want to take an onion and we want to dice it finely. And we want to take about 3 cloves of garlic, or 3 or 4, depends what you like, and mince it up, and all this goes in the pan. Turn the gas on low to medium, and we want to start sauteing this down. Now we don't want any colour on this, we just want to cook it until it's soft and translucent. And whilst this is cooking, we need to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper and a little bit, half a teaspoon of celery salt. Just cook it down. We should get a nice aroma off this as it starts to go translucent. So after about 7 minutes then, take out some leek for garnish. And then we want to put our potatoes in. Put the potatoes in and cover with veg stock. Or you can use chicken stock, it's up to you. Give everything a stir around, and then we need to bring this up to the boil. Now when this gets to the boil, we need to simmer for about 20 minutes. And then we need to test our potatoes to see if the potatoes are done. So if they're soft and done, we need to take a couple of potatoes out for garnish. Now don't forget the garnish is optional, you don't have to have any garnish on your soup. And then give our soup a good blitzing with a hand blender. Now you can make this as fine or as coarse if you like, as you wish. Now it is going to be quite a thick soup anyway. So after you've blended it to your desired consistency, add about 4 tablespoons of cream and stir it in. And then we're ready to serve. So serve into a bowl, and then if you want to garnish, garnish with potato and leek. And then if you want to go really over the top, drizzle cream all the way around, sprinkle some black pepper on, and a little bit of chopped chives or green onions. And then dig in with some crusty bread. And that is our soup made. Now if you like what we're doing guys, don't forget like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.